Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya. I'm a travel and a lifestyle vlogger, and this video is all about my everyday makeup, be it at home or while traveling. And this video is part of my Amazon haul video series, so stay tuned for it. So guys, let me just give you a little intro about how this video will be and what to expect from this video. So this video is made because of the huge demand from my Instagram fans. If you're not following me on Instagram, I think you should check my Instagram handle, Pinkpebble. You will see very cool travel and lifestyle and home decor videos. So I carry the same makeup to shoot all my videos, be it travel video, lifestyle, home decor videos, or I use the same kind of makeup to go to office or to go to evening parties. And I also believe in not putting over makeup or a cakey makeup, because we all hustle throughout the day trying to manage different things at home, and spending hours and hours in front of the mirror doing makeup, it's not something which is sustainable and not everybody's cup of tea, especially people like me. I just don't believe in putting like super heavy makeup. So I believe in putting something very natural, skin friendly, and super easy and affordable kind of products. So in this video you will see different kinds of products, what I'm using and how I decide which product to use when. So without a further ado, let's get going. So guys, the first product I'm going to introduce is the sunscreen, and before I actually go and talk about the sunscreen, I just wanted to tell you that I have done a skincare routine which no alcohol soap free skincare routine video, and I'm going to link that video in the description below. Go ahead and watch that so that you'll get a basic understanding and how my skin routine is, what kind of face wash or moisturizing I use it for my face, so that you can start from there and then we can move out to the makeup. So the first thing is, after I wash my face and apply a good amount of moisturizer. The reason I say here good amount of moisturizer is because like I have this combination skin, like I have this T-zone which becomes oily on my nose and a little bit of forehead, but the other parts is really dry. And I think most of us have this skin, and also if you are like super oily skin and you have this natural oil, that means it is good for your skin. But some people have really dry skin like me. For them it's very important to apply good amount of face moisturizer before applying any kind of makeup. Whether you're applying makeup or not, moisturizing your face just after bath is really important. Cool. So I'm moving on to recommending this product. So this is the Neutrogena 50 plus SPF sunscreen that I've been using like for almost 3-4 years. I think I actually don't remember, because I happened to buy this in Goa accidentally, and since then I fell in love with this product. So guys, the next one is the foundation cream. So you must be thinking that I use like the heavy products for foundation, but I use the simple LAKMÉ lightweight mousse. So as I already told you that I'm not fan of using a thick foundation, because I just feel that my skin is not breathing enough and I feel that really uncomfortable. Maybe it's my personal choice. I'm not judging anybody who is using this kind of makeup, but for me this really works very good on my skin. So this is nothing but it's like a BB cream, like a mousse. So it's very light in texture, and also that comes in different sizes of packs, so that it's very easy to carry while you're traveling. And this the shade what I'm using is Beige Vanilla, and in case sometimes when I go to some summer places, to the beach or something, when my skin gets tanned, then I'll use Beige Caramel, or there is another shade which is a little darker than this, because the moment my skin gets tanned, I'll go 1 or 2 shades undertone, and then this won't work for me. So yeah, so you have I think 3 to 4 options in this on Amazon that you can buy. Trust me guys, this really does a great job on my skin, and I really get this satin finish. But sometimes during winters, when my skin is extremely dry, before applying this I would apply a primer, or I would apply a good amount of moisturizer to get this kind of a look. So guys, next moving on to eye makeup. So I usually don't use eyeshadows on regular basis. Once in a while, if there is a party or something, then I try to experiment with eyeshadows. Otherwise, this is the makeup that you see regularly. So there are 3 important things that I take care when I do my eye makeup. The first thing is the eyebrows. So even no matter how good or bad you are at makeup, but the moment you learn how to define your eyebrows, it totally changes the way your face looks. So this is the first part of it. So I'm using this Sugar Brow Definer pencil. So I'm going to leave it here of the picture how it looks. So this comes with a brush on one end, so that you can brush your eyebrows, and then the other end comes with this kind of a pencil. So if you see, this pencil is a little inclined like this, so this is just so perfect to actually draw nice defining lines on your eyebrows, and you can set your eyebrows the way you want it. So even this is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is available on Amazon. In case if you want to check for options, there are so many options available in the same pencil. Like you have dark black, light brown, dark brown, deep brown. There are so many options. So the one what I'm using right now is the deep brown, and also I bought a light brown just to see the difference of it, but then mostly I go with the deep brown, and this is how I achieve this look. And next I am going to show you what mascara and the eyeliner I use it for my eyes. So guys, the next is the eyeliner and the mascara. So both are from the brand LAKMÉ, and this is also I bought from Amazon. So this LAKMÉ iconic eyeliner is super easy to use. There's nothing fancy techniques that you need to know, and also this comes with this long bristle brush, and it's super thin so that it can give a nice defined cat eyes or wing eyes and everything. So I use this for my daily makeup. And the next comes as the mascara. So for regular use I use this mascara from LAKMÉ, and the advantage of this mascara is that I use different mascaras in the past, but you know, sometimes when I put mascara it looks like it's so artificial, like your eyelashes literally stick to each other. It's very difficult to, you know, separate them and stuff. So this comes with this curved bristle, so it's very easy. It'll give you fuller eyelashes, and plus it doesn't help, it doesn't make your eyelashes stick to each other. So this also I'm going to leave the link in the description below. However, recently I found a different colored mascara, which is a blue colored mascara, that's also from LAKMÉ. In fact, I'm wearing this here, so you can see it here. I'm going to put a closer video. So see, look at this, it's a blue color, so you can actually use a blue eyeliner and add this blue color mascara. It looks like really different and chic, and especially today I'm wearing a blue dress, so I thought I'll try this. So I'm really excited to try this outside. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and in case if you have tried any of the colorful mascaras, don't forget to leave the link in the comment section below. I am really excited to try, and also suggest me some brands if you know of. So guys, post my eye makeup, I would want to talk about the compact powder that I'm using. So this compact powder is also from SEPHORA, and this is from Amazon, and the shade number is 9246B. I almost use this almost over. I think I need to order one more. And also I prefer using the brush instead of a sponge, because I feel that the brush you know, helps you give this flawless finish of the compact powder. So you can use two types of compact powder. One is the one which comes with an oil based and which is really thick. One is a powder based. So this is a powder based compact powder, and because I tried using the oil based one, but it just makes my skin oily, especially during summers, and we are entering into summer, so it's all the more important to be mindful of what kind of products you're buying. So I'm going to leave these links in the description below for your reference. So guys, moving on to the last part of this video, which is about lip balms and the lipsticks and lip liners. So I've been using lip balm from this brand, the Body Shop, forever. Like I don't even remember when was the last time I used any other brand, until I lost it and I was trying to use a substitute brand or something. But then this vitamin E from Body Shop is the one which is my go-to lip balm. I've been using for years, and it kept my lips healthy, and I never had any problem or never complaints. I never had any reason to change it because it is so nice. And I also don't like lip balms with color, so this is a normal color. And you should try this lip balm, which is a Body Shop hemp lip balm. They recently launched, and I've ordered it and I've tried it. It's really good, and maybe that is one thing which I am going to use now regularly. So moving on to the lipstick. So there's a funny story I just want to share about lipstick. So when I started vlogging, I really wanted to look like really pretty and hot on the camera. So I started putting this red and bright reds and bright pinks lipsticks, and now I look really funny when I see the old videos of mine. But those days, maybe it's in or something, I didn't feel that awkward. But now when I look back, those lipsticks are really bright. But eventually I figured out like how to, you know, do makeup, how to look subtly and gorgeous without having to put a lot of efforts. So in this process I found out nude lipstick. So most of you think like nude is a very boring color, it'll just make you look dull, but trust me, I am dusky and I don't put a lot of makeup, but then this nudes kind of make me you look like really glamorous and naturally glamorous. So I'm going to recommend two shades that I've been using, and one is from Manish Malhotra and one is from the LAKMÉ. So both links I'm going to leave it in the description below. So usually nudes can be different varieties. One is a pink nude, pink kind of shade nude, and one is little oranges reddish, and the other one is into browns. So I prefer browns and pinks because that goes with my skin tone. You can also experiment. And not just this lipstick, guys, like whenever you're buying any kind of lipstick, you should always buy a complementary product, which is a lip liner. So when it comes to lip liner, there is a formula that the lip liner should be one shade darker than the lipstick. So first you apply the lip liner and then you fill it with your favorite lipstick. So I have these three shades, and I'm also going to leave the links in the description below. So yeah, this is how I manage my lip color, and in fact I'm wearing the Manish Malhotra lip color right now in this video. Do comment below in the comment section to let me know what you think about this shade. So guys, this is the end of this Amazon haul video, and don't forget to log into Amazon and check out the cool discounts that are going on right now. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you check out my Instagram handle, which is Pinkpebble, Pinkpebble, to see all the cool travel, lifestyle and home decor videos. And in case if you're following me new, just ping me and say hi, and I'll be like super happy to read and chat with you a little bit. And also, in case if you want me to cover any cool stuff and cool makeup tips or something, just leave it in the comment section below. I'll make sure I'll cover it in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much, and enjoy your summer makeup. Bye bye.